think it's important for people to share their stories because we all want to be heard. We all want to tell of our life experiences. Many of us may find that hard, and lots of the people who have come to this library have come going, I don't speak, I don't tell my story, I can't write my story, I can't write a poem. But so what's been great about the sessions, I think, is they've been really courageous.
A stranger walks in the cold and the snow. How far he has come, or how far he will go.
I looked at him and I looked into his eyes, and people say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and I did feel as though I'd seen something in those eyes, and it was beautiful, and it was like humanity, looking at humanity.
An opportunity starts with encouragement, starts with hidden voices ready to share. The library brings them together.
To me, I'm out, I'm mixing, I'm mingling, I'm just living.
Oh, you waited all that time for that?